If you are using N8N to build automations, this Chrome extension is going to make your life 10 times easier. All you need to do is open your N8N and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you a detailed walkthrough about this extension. Now open your N8N. So this is a YouTube content flow that I was building, but you need to just open a new workflow. So let's open a new dashboard. Now here, all you need to do is go on the Chrome, type n8nchat.com, hit enter. Now it will take you to the website. See, here you can add it on the Chrome and you can add it to your Firefox. Here they have a quick 1 minute tutorial. You can just watch if you want some assistant, but since you are watching this video, I don't think so you need that. Now you have this tutorial, you can go through the website and everything. Now just hit apply to the Chrome, and here you need to just add to Chrome. Add extension and wait for some seconds. Now it has been added. If you want, just pin it. That would make the life more easier. Now once you open it, go to your N8N page. Now here, let's see, it says an API is required. So here what we are going to do is we need a Gemini API key. So from this you need to just hit get Gemini API key. Now it will redirect you to their website, to AI Studio. Now all you need to do is get the API key, accept the terms, hit I accept and wait for a second. Now hit create API key or create API. Okay, it is generating the API key. Just wait for a few seconds, it takes some time. Now hit copy and from here go to your page, hit it again, paste it, and you are done. Okay, N8N activations automatic. Okay, now it is activated. Now that's it. All you need to do is just refresh the page. Now you have that extension helping you out. Now you get this small chat dashboard. Here you can type anything. Let's say create a workflow for sending emails to Slack channel when new task is assigned to Trello. Let's see what it gives. And sorry for typos, I know I have a bad English. Now it is going to generate the code. All you need to do is just wait. It gives you the suggestion. Once I have the information, I will create a low model ID and everything. I will create a yes. I need to paste it for the model. Okay, so now it requires an ID. For now, let's just go with a simple workflow. Create a workflow to send email from Google Sheet. Let's see. Now you can go ahead with the premium version if you don't want ads. For sending email, let me browse it. Let's just cut it. And it will just generate the code. Sure. Let's see what it gives. Okay, to create this window, I need some details. Google Sheet name or email recipients as a body. Just create the node. I will add the configs later. See, here it gives everything. Now you have this workflow. Sometime it takes time. I don't know that it has gone advanced, so it takes some times. So here it gives the detail of how to map the configuration and everything. You can just read this notice or you can just simply hit delete. And from here, you can just assign everything, assign the credentials, from where you want to send, from where you want to pick up the sheet, where to send, add the recipient emails and everything. It has given you the formula and everything. Just type the thing and you are good to go. Now that's it. Now you don't need to build everything from scratch or a blank sheet. All you need to do is just chat with this bot and it is going to make your life 10 times easier. Now if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.